Hello and welcome to Tech Guide. Today we are looking at one of the most exciting budget phones of 2024, the CMF Phone 1, a phone with impressive specs on paper and a reasonable price. Let's see if it's worth buying or not. In the box, we get a standard USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a unique orange SIM ejector, which I kinda wish matched the color of the phone, a manual, and of course the phone. But unfortunately, there is no charger in the box. First, let's talk about design. The CMF Phone 1 has a unique design language of nothing phones. And the best thing about it, in my opinion, is the fact that you won't see any fingerprint on it. We have the power button on the right, volume buttons on the left, a microphone on top, and another one on the bottom. Next to the SIM slot, charging port, and a speaker. Up front, we get a 6.6-inch AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution. It's sharp and the colors pop beautifully. Watching videos or scrolling through social media on this phone is an absolute treat. It reaches 2000 nits of peak brightness, so even in direct sunlight you won't have any issues seeing your screen. It also has 120Hz refresh rate, which means everything feels smooth. Whether you are gaming or scrolling through social media for hours, you won't get tired of it. Talking about gaming, the CMF Phone 1 is powered by Dimensity 7300, a 4nm chip that, according to MediaTek, offers best-in-class power efficiency, next-gen capabilities, ensuring effortless multitasking, excellent performance, and upgraded AI-enhanced computing. Or in other words, you won't have any problem with daily tasks like social media, streaming, or a little bit of gaming. But of course, it's not going to give you a flagship level performance. Opening apps, switching between them, and even live multitasking are smooth. You won't notice much lag unless you are really pushing it. For gaming, I tested Call of Duty, and I didn't really notice any issues. It didn't get hot even after about an hour of playing. But of course, you need to tone down the graphics for a smoother gameplay. Let's talk about cameras. On the back, we got a 50 megapixel wide camera paired with 2 megapixel depth lens. For a mid-range phone, the CMF Phone 1 delivers nice and detailed shots with vibrant colors. Moving to the front, we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and the results are actually good for this price range. It can capture decent selfies with good details and natural facial tone. The main camera can record up to 4K at 30 fps, while the front camera maxes it at 1080p at 30 fps. The footage are stable and colorful, but don't expect flagship level sharpness. Battery life is another strong point of CMF Phone 1. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts you a full day of day-to-day use. Plus, the 33W fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in about an hour. But I'm planning to make another video specifically about battery life and charging speed. So if you'd like to see that, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. So, is the CMF Phone 1 worth it? For around $200, you are getting a sleek design, a great display, solid performance, and a decent camera setup. If you are looking for a phone that handles daily tasks, takes good pictures, and lasts you a full day without making you worry about charging, the CMF Phone 1 might be your next phone. That's it for today's review. At the end of the video, I did a specs comparison between CMF Phone 1 and two of its competitors. Let me know your thoughts about CMF Phone 1. Will you buy it as your next phone or not? Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.